Welcome aboard. I'm Darla May with Leopard Catamaran Brokerage, and I'm so excited to show you this awesome 2019 Leopard 51 Powercat here in Key Biscayne, Florida. The aft cockpit boasts a custom fold-out teak table with composite teak decking, custom cushions and pillows, and aft umbrella sunshades for privacy and comfort. The dinghy platform doubles as a swim platform and includes custom chocks for the center console Highfield 380 with its 25 horsepower Yamaha outboard, Garmin chart plotter, and cover. The salon and galley flow seamlessly together from the aft cockpit to create a wonderful living space. The settee has room for several guests, and the fold-out table converts to a double bunk or a lounge to enjoy watching a movie from the KVH satellite TV. The galley boasts stainless steel appliances, oven, stove, microwave, fridge, freezer, and a double sink with Seagull water filtration system. And the galley is upgraded with a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher. Forward to port is the navigation station and lower helm with throttles, autopilot, VHF, fusion, stereo, Wi-Fi booster, and a Nest security system. The port hull features 2 guest cabins with upgraded mattresses and 2 heads with Jabsco electric freshwater flush. 3 Little Birds is the highly desirable owner's version, with the entire starboard hull dedicated to the spacious master suite, with custom carpeting, extra hanging storage, and a vanity and study desk. It has an oversized ensuite head with custom gray composite teak flooring. The forward cockpit is accessed through the forward watertight hatch-style door. It's an ideal location for morning coffee and a sunrise, with the comfort of custom cushions, folding tables, and shade from the hardtop. The helm is integrated into the flybridge. You have a full 360-degree unobstructed view from the helm for easy maneuvering. The helm is equipped with Raymarine electronics, a multifunctional display, autopilot, radar, VHF, and AIS, with additional upgrades that include a Yacht Controller and both a bow and stern thruster. The flybridge is the entertainment hub with ample seating surrounding a custom teak table. It's the perfect place for cocktails and hors d'oeuvres with friends and family. It's outfitted with a fridge, sink, ice maker, and grill for alfresco dining. This is indeed the ideal cruising yacht that can take you on those adventures that you've been dreaming of. Thank you for joining me today on this Leopard 51 Powercat. For more information, contact me at Leopard Catamaran Brokerage.